guys, I might have missed some good ones. Maybe if I like post these, I probably will get more subs because I'm getting cooked right here. I'm sorry guys, I'm not posting, but well, it's just that we're just busy. Oh yeah. Oh, that's green. That is. Bam, bop, bam, bop. Come on, guys. Okay. Bam. Bam. I should have made a live, but I can't. Okay, not bad. It's the 250th birthday of America. What? That looks like a long pickle or a cucumber. There's so much pickles, fireworks shaped as pickles last year. Come on, come on. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, those are beautiful. They're doing a lot more chat. Oh, that's going fast. And there. Okay, not bad. Oh, one's going up, one's going up, one's going up. Like 40 feet. Yes, I am. Ooh, those are good ones. I'm doing this with my left hand. Oh, no. More. Come on, come on. What? That looks like something. Oh. And bam. Oh, heck no. Pickle, that's a pickle. And guys. Ooh, that's really good. That's